past 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure.
When your child turns around 3, you know they are ready to learn new things and should be exposed to beginners level academic goals. This phase is thoroughly overwhelming for the parents, especially if they are homeschooling parents, to decide what to teach, where to begin, and the list goes on. That's exactly why we are here today. Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to Mom with Purpose. A disclaimer first. I firmly believe that when the child is at this stage of life, organic learning is the best way of mental growth. Beginners level curriculum are only an invitation towards building the interest to welcome other forms of learning. And also it provides parents a roadmap to teach and nurture their budding brains. During the journey I undertook to find the best curriculum, I stumbled upon a preschooler curriculum designed by an educational consultancy that provides Cambridge worksheets. What I like about their curriculum is that they have designed a package loaded with subjects effectively brainstormed to create a well-rounded curriculum that fosters holistic development among preschoolers. Here is a sneak peek and unboxing of my package received from them. So let's dive in.